Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add Facebook comments in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. I have added these comments using Supreme module for Divi add-on plugin. To add Facebook comments, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now, first of all, you have to add a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on add new. In search bar, search Supreme Module Lite. As you can see, the Supreme Module Lite Divi theme built by Supreme Modules. It has 100,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Now click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. After this, go to posts or pages where you want to add Facebook comments. I want to add in page, so I will go to pages, select page in which you want to add comments and then click on edit with Divi. The page builder was enabled. Now go to place where you want to add Facebook comments. I want to add at the end of page, so I will go here. Now click on this blue plus button. Add a regular section. Add a single row. And then the module appears. Scroll down. Here you can see Supreme Facebook comments. Select this module. Now here you can add your page URL. Here is the number of posts, how many comments you want to show on your page. I want here 5, so I will type 5. You can change the color scheme, light or dark. Also you can add background color like that, but I will not add any background color. It looks perfect on my page. In design section, you can add sizing, spacing, border, box shadow. I will add box shadow, so it will appear like that, and I will also add animation. I will add fade animation. Now I am done with that, so I will click on the stick button, click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now my page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added your Facebook comments on your page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.